Oh yeah, that's a real good one. Today, happy day, we are making ice cream. This is a hit-miss engine and an old ice cream freezer. Just some stuff that I found on my grandfather's farm. It's a lot of family history here. So rather than having a mixer here and a motor there and a bunch of stuff just piled together or scattered, I thought I'd pile this all together, and we are going to attempt to make some ice cream today. Alrighty, with a little luck, the old girl will fire up. A handy cranky. Got to lean it out a little bit. Alrighty, that will get hot. Now, the magic must begin. We will start by making it go round and round. And yes, it's not necessary for this to be such an elaborate contraption, but anybody can make ice cream with an ice cream maker. Needless to say, of the day of this, we weren't going to use the main power source on the farm to make ice cream. You crank your calories off with the ice cream maker by cranking this instead of utilizing this over 100-year-old motor that my grandfather used for shearing sheep. So, and these power units, they use for everything. Washing clothes even. The more common Maytag was used for washing clothes, but this could have been used in the same application. And not only that, with these modern things called water bottles, once you empty them, you turn it into a noisemaker. We now have a projectile launcher. Hey, where'd it go? That was awesome. Let's try it again. Holy wow. That goes way up there. Oh yeah. That's a real good one. Holy. Boom, on my truck. How many hit-miss ice cream machines do you see that will power itself? How many? Tell me that's not silly. Okay, it's time to see if we made a mess or made ice cream.
There we go.
Let's see what's in there.
Oh yeah, that's a good stuff.
What do you think? I just wish everybody could understand how much heritage is in this, and rather than it being scattered all over the place, I've opted to put it in one big pile, and now we've got an ice cream maker that will drive itself around and launch projectiles. Thanks for watching. See you next time, and remember, what am I supposed to remember?
Subscribe to my channel.
Huh?
Subscribe to my channel.
Oh, yes, and remember, subscribe to my channel. That is kick-ass ice cream.